Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dharanam. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Subject Principles of Programming using C. Topic Introduction to C Programming. Introduction to C Programming Language. Discovery the fundamental concept and applications of the versatile C programming language, a cornerstone of modern software development. Explore its history, syntax, and core features that have made it popular choice for a wide range of projects. History and development of C. Origin in 1970s. C was created in the early 1970s at Bell Lab by Dennis Ritchie, who aimed to develop a flexible, portable, and efficient programming language. Period's adoption in the late 1970s and 1980s, C became widely used for system programming, operating system, and a variety of applications due to its power and versatility. Standardization and evolution. The C programming language has undergone several revisions and standardization efforts, with the last version C level released in 2011 to address modern programming needs. Basic syntax and structure of C. Syntax. C as a consequence structured syntax with rules for variable functions, control structures, and more. Understanding the basic syntax is critical for writing correct and readable code. Code structure. C programming are organized into functions which contain statements that perform specific tasks. The main function serves as the entry point, and other functions can be called to be modularization the code. Complication. C code is compiled into the machine readable, executable files. The complication process involves processing, compiling, assembling, and linking to the produce and final can be run on. Data types and variable in C. Fundamental data types. C provides a range of basic data types such as integration, floating point numbers, characters, and boolean, allowing to represent different types of data in your program. Variable declaration and assignment. Variables in C are used to store data, and they must be declared with a specific data type. Become they can be used. You can assign values to those variables. Dynamic memory allocation. C allows you dynamically allocate the deallocate memory and determine functions like free embedding with data structure and variable size. Operator and expression in C. Arithmetic operations. Performing basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, essential for computing the manipulating numerical values. Logical operators. Combine and evaluate multiple conditions using and or and not. Enable complex Boolean expression for advanced program control. Relational operators compare values and determine relationships such as greater than, less than, or equal to, crucial for conditional logic and decision making. Assignment operation. Assignment values to variable include shorthand operators like plus is equal to and minus is equals to, streamline of updating variable values. Control structure in C. Conditional statement and loops. Conditional statements. C offers powerful conditional statements like if, else, and switch case to make decision and control the flow of your program based on different conditions. Looping constructions. Loops such as for loop, while loop, do loop, allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times, enabling you to automate repetitive tasks and procedure data efficiently. Nested structure. You can combine conditional statement and loops in nested arrangements to create complex control flow handling, discriminate decision making, and interactive processing requirement in your C programs. Functions and scopes in C. Functions. C program are composed of functions which are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Functions accept input parameters, execute a series of statements, and can return values. Function prototype. Before using a function, you must declare its prototype, which specifies the function's return type, name, and parameters. This allows the compiler to verify the correct usage of the function. Function call. To invoke a function, you call it by name and pass by any required argument functions. They executes its code black, and if capable returns a value that can be used in the calling context. Scope and visibility. C has different scope for variables including global, local, and statistics. The scope determines where a variable can be accessed and modified. Arrays and strings in C. Arrays. C supports arrays which are collection of data elements of the same type. Array allows you to store the manipulate multiple values efficiently with your programs. String in C are represented as null determined character arrays enabling you to work with text-based data. C provides various strings handling functions manipulate process text. String in C represent as a null terminated character arrays enabling you to work with text-based data. C provides various string handling functions to manipulate and process text, manipulating an algorithm. You can leverage arrays and strings implement of the algorithm for a simple search and the sorting process. Pointers and dynamic memory allocation in C. Pointers. Pointers in C are variables that store memory addresses allowing direct access to the data in memory. They enable advanced data manipulation and are essential for working with dynamic data structure. Dynamic memory. C provide functions like macro and free to dynamically allocate the deallocate memory at runtime. This flexibility is crucial for working with data of unknown or variable size. Memory management. Proper use of pointer and dynamic memory is essential for C writing efficient and robust C programs carefully. Memories management helps like memory leaks overall program structure. Dynamic memory. C provide functions like dynamically allocate and deallocate memory at runtime. This flexible is critical for working with data of unknown or variable size. Thank you for watching.